So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your Vanced YouTube is not working. So basically, we have to troubleshoot a bunch of methods. Just like in Android, you should clear cache or clear data on YouTube. So basically, on iOS, you could not clear cache or clear data on a specific application, just like on Android, which is we cannot do that. So after that, we should check our internet connection if we have it. So basically, I am using an internet connection, so it must work. But if it's still not working, maybe your internet connection is weak or unstable, that can cause YouTube Vanced to fail to load videos or log in. You should try switching onto cellular data and restart your router or check your phone or even your network provider if there are any connectivity issues. You could also check for some system updates on your phone. If you have, just update your software, then that's it. That's how you fix your Vanced YouTube is not working. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.